Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll talk about a fantastic way to monetize your content if you're in travel or accommodation needs. I'm going to show you how to apply for the Booking.com affiliate program and start earning commissions. So let's get started. First, let's understand what the Booking.com affiliate program is all about. Booking.com affiliate program is a partnership that allows you to earn commissions by promoting accommodations listed on Booking.com. It's an excellent opportunity for travel enthusiasts, bloggers, and content creators. Now, here's how you can apply to become a Booking.com affiliate. Step 1. Visit the Booking.com affiliate program website. You can find the link in the video description below. Next, sign up or register. Click on Sign Up Now or Register to begin the application process. Next, provide information about your platform. Go ahead and fill up your personal details. Be sure to fill in accurate details about your website, application, or YouTube channel. Accept the terms and conditions. Make sure to read through the program's policies and guidelines to ensure you comply. Now, you need to wait for approval. Keep in mind that approval is not guaranteed, and it might take some time for Booking.com to process your application. After you're approved, you'll gain access to the Booking.com affiliate program dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can generate affiliate links, access promotional materials, and track your earnings. Then you can start promoting those affiliate links. In the dashboard, you can create unique tracking links for hotels, accommodations, and more. It's all about creating content and promoting those links. It's crucial to track how well your affiliate links are performing. So regularly view your performance within the affiliate dashboard. Understand what strategies and content are most effective in generating bookings and commissions. Remember, there are guidelines to follow, so always adhere to Booking.com's affiliates program guidelines and policies. This includes following ethical practices in your promotional efforts. And there you have it. That's how you can apply for the Booking.com affiliate program and start your journey towards earning commissions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.